Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. If everybody could please say your sentence today is Tuesday. And we'll see what month it is. The month is April. Everybody needs to say the month is April. It is Tuesday, April 14th. And it's going to be partly sunny and cold. A high of 58 with a low of 36. So yesterday I wore sweatpants. So today we'll just wear regular jeans. And since I am going to be inside most of the day, I can wear a t-shirt with my jeans, some sneakers, no hat, and with a sweatshirt, so I can wear that inside or out. So today's weather, Tuesday, April 14th, partly cloudy and cold. There is a 20% chance of rain, so if you go anywhere, you'll want to take an umbrella. Make sure you log into Canvas and listen to your morning songs. Have a good day.